finding final drafts after loading weights using that trimming table method. Now, disclaimer, there are other methods existing. This is just one example. Okay? Now, sample ship, MV DAC Egeo draws forward drafts 12.70 meters and aft drafts 12.80 meters in saltwater density and is to take bunkers at port. We are going to load an additional 470 metric tons in number 2 fuel oil tank, 460 in number 3 fuel oil tank, plus 450 in number 4 fuel oil. Now, as you can see here from the table, I have already solved the final drafts, okay, after loading weights. But I am going to discuss how we got these details. Okay, let's start here. This is the tank. Okay, for the weights, forward correction, the formula. Okay, weight times forward correction divided by 10,000. Okay, 100 times 100. Aft correction, and same formula again. Okay, and the trim. Okay, now let's start with number 2, fuel oil tank. Okay, weight, we are going to load plus 470 metric tons. Okay, and the forward correction, okay, is 2.0. Now, where did I get this 2.0 and this 1.1? Okay, it's from my trimming table as I will show now. Okay, this is the number 2 fuel oil tank for the draft of 12.8, almost 13. Okay, this is the trimming table. Number 2 fuel oil tank, forward is 2.0. For aft, it's 1.1. Okay, let's go back to the problem again. Okay, so I've put for the forward 2.0. Okay, for the aft 1.1. Okay, so now for the forward, okay, weight 470, weight times 2.0 divided by the answer from 100 multiplied by 100, the answer is 0.094. Okay, it's same thing here in the aft. Okay, the weight 470 multiplied by 1.1 divided by 100 times 100, the answer is 0.052. And same goes with number 3, fuel oil tank, plus 460. Okay, where did I get this 0.7? Let's go back here on the trimming table again. Number 3, fuel oil tank, forward drafts at 13 meters almost. Okay, 12.8, 0.7. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, 0.7. And for the aft, number 3, fuel oil tank, we have 2.2. You can see here, 2.2. Okay, for the number 3 fuel oil tank. Same goes with number 4, fuel oil tank, forward, negative 0.5. Okay, the answer here is negative 0.5. Okay, aft draft, or aft, I should say, for aft, correction, 3.4. I have put 3.4 here. There we go, at the trimming table. Okay, so what's the computation here? Forward draft correction, weight, 470 times forward correction 2.0 divided by 10,000 equals 0.094. You put it here. Aft draft correction, weight times aft correction, 470 times 1.1 divided by 10k, 0.052. Okay, you put it here on the number 2 fuel oil tank. Same goes with number 3 fuel oil tank, forward draft correction, 460 times 0.7 divided by 10k. The answer is 0.032. This is 0.032. Okay, forward. Okay. Half draft correction. 460 times 2.2. This is your 2.2. Divided by 10k equals 0.101. Okay. Now, number 4, same thing. Okay, 450 times negative 0.5. Where is negative 0.5? Here. Okay, divided by 10,000 equals negative 0.023. Same thing here for the aft, 450 times 3.4. This is the aft correction divided by 10k, 0.153. Just like here. Okay, now if you add and subtract, okay, 12.7. Okay, let's do it in real time. Okay, I'll show you my calculator. Okay, so 12.7 plus 0.094 plus 0.032. minus 0.023 equals 12.803 for the forward draft. This is our final. Okay. Now for the aft, same process again. Okay. Be clear? Okay. 12.8 for the initial drafts. As you can see here, initial drafts 12.8. Okay. 12.8 plus 0.052 plus 0.101 plus 0.153. The answer is 13.106 for the aft. Okay, so then again, let me just repeat for the forward draft, 12.803, aft 13.106 after loading bunkers at port. Okay, so again, the trimming table method can only be used with accuracy when the density of water around the ship, okay, of the ship floats is near the density of salt water. Okay, the density range of 1.020 to 1.030 should not result in significant errors that are acceptable. But then again, may I just remind you, there are other methods existing on finding the final drafts after loading / discharging weights. Okay, just a quick disclaimer. This is just one of the many examples that you can try on practicing on board the ship. Hope you guys learned something new. Be happy, be healthy, and most importantly, to God be all glory. Keep safe. Take good care.